Hey Nailholics, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing some new gel polishes that Madam Glam sent me. Thank you so much once again, Madam Glam, for sending me these beautiful gel polishes and allowing me to pick the colors. So these are the colors I picked, perfect for summertime. I got another bottle of the XOXO, which is my favorite nude base gel color. It's perfect. It's literally perfect. If you haven't tried it yet, you have to get it, okay? Next, I got this green highlighter, and it's a really beautiful neon green. This is how it looks. And then I got this gorgeous neon blue. I do not know how to properly pronounce that word, so I'm not gonna try. But you know, it's like a really nice neon blue. And finally, I have this gorgeous pink. It's called OMG Pink, and it is like a beautiful, bright, neon hot pink. So I am super excited to try these colors out. Of course, I'm going to swatch them first, and then I'll get into the actual design. Okay guys, so here are the completed swatches. This is the blue, so pretty, and here is the green. Green is actually my favorite color, you guys. I'm so in love with this green. And here is the pink. You guys, let me know in the comments which color is your favorite out of these three. Okay guys, so let's get into the actual design. So I'm gonna be doing my nail art on some long ballerina tips, and for my base color, this is the XOXO. I applied 2 coats. I did base coat first, like clear base coat, and then I applied 2 coats of the XOXO. And for my design, I want all of the colors to be on every single nail. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna apply a little dab of each color on this jade plate, because I'm just gonna do a lot of like nail art. Like no nail is gonna be one solid color basically, but you'll see what I'm talking about once I actually get into the design. Oh, and right here is basically where I'm just getting my acetone ready so I can clean my brush off. I don't even know why I included that footage, but whatever. So yeah, I have my detail brush, and I'm gonna go along the free edge. I'm doing like that French tip outline basically. Well, no, not the French tip outline, because that would actually be with like the smile line and everything. Well, no, I think this is a French tip outline. Is it? What is this called? I don't know. Like, it's, you know, that outline nail, like you basically like just do this on the nail and that's it. Like there's this one, and then there's the other one where you do like a French tip outline with the actual smile line and everything. I don't think I'm making sense, so I'm just gonna stop talking about it. So yeah, basically I'm doing that, what I just did. I did an outline around the nail. The free edge of the nail, that's it. Okay, I did an outline around the free edge of the nail. I'm gonna do 1 green, 1 pink, and 1 blue. Now for one of my accent nails, I wanted to do flowers, and usually whenever I do my flowers, I would take a detail brush and do like a bunch of lines in a circle and put a dot in the middle. But I decided to change it up today. I was like, you know what, let me make use of this little dotting tool, okay? And so I decided to do dots in a circle with a dot in the middle instead of lines in a circle with a dot in the middle, and it turned out so cute. So going back to my free edge outline nail, I wanted to put some crystals on at first, but I was like, no, let me use my dotting tool, okay, and use the colors that I got, the beautiful colors that Madam Glam sent me, and just make like a little, you know, like a bigger dot at the top and a smaller dot, so it kind of gives like the illusion of, you know, like basically if I had some crystals, that's how I would have laid them out. And on my last accent nail, I decided to do these little squiggly lines, you know, like I just wanted to be like fun and colorful and just cute. And I don't know, I love how it turned out. It's really simple, honestly. Like this design is almost basic, but I don't know, I think it's a lot of fun. And I got a lot of compliments when I had my nails like this, because I recorded this so long ago, you guys, like so long ago. I have a lot of videos that I recorded a long time ago, and I'm just now really able to do the voiceovers and stuff like that. And if you hear any background noise, I'm so sorry. I'm in my car, so that's why, like if you hear like cars driving by or whatever, just ignore that. Just ignore that. Bear with me, you guys. I know I've been gone and I've been really inconsistent, but I'm trying my best to you know, get it back together and get back on a more consistent schedule. But yeah, and I really wanted to get this video out, so that's why I'm sitting here, you know, trying to do the voiceover now, because I really want to post this video as soon as possible. So but yeah, so basically, like I said, I just did a really nice little squiggly line with all of the colors, and that was it. Like this is the whole design. I feel like this is beginner friendly. I mean, the squiggly lines might be a little difficult for some people, but I would say this is beginner friendly. I don't know. What do you guys think? And before I forget, you guys, whenever you're shopping on the Madam Glam website, don't forget to use my code Nailholic35 for 35% off your entire order. Just be sure to check out under the pay as you go option. So this is how my design turned out, you guys. So now I'm just gonna go over it with some no wipe top coat, and this is how they look. Oh my gosh, isn't it so cute? I'm so in love. It's so pretty, you guys, and I just love the neon colors. They're so bright, especially when you put them under a black light, and I'm actually going to show you guys how it looks, but the colors like really light up and they look like they're glowing. So I am so obsessed with these colors. Thank you so much once again, Madam Glam, for sending me these beautiful vibrant colors. Oh my gosh, I am so in love. And this is what the nails look like when I put them on. Oh, they're so pretty, you guys. I got a ton of compliments. But anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.